Hey guys, I had said I was gonna go get the Reversair brackets for this since I had them, and try it out with that. So let's do it. Um, I think right now it's actually set to high, so we'll just do that. Do 0 to high. One of the blades has a split. That's what you hear. I didn't notice that until I put them on the fan, and by that point. Okay, so it seems like it goes even faster with these brackets in forward at least. And we're at 1.7. It definitely flies with these, I can tell you that much. I guess we'll do low next. You can see the oil and WD-40 have had a chance to work through the bearings a little bit. It's got a better spin down. Most of these things haven't been oiled since they were installed in the 70s. Okay, here's low. Oh, a fast low now. I'm guessing these blades are shallower pitch. Let me look at the side. Yeah, they look shallower pitch than the ones yesterday. But these usually are a lot steeper in reverse. Let's see if that holds true. Now, unlike Hunter Reversair brackets, maybe I should tape it just to hold it in place for the video. Yeah, let's see if that'll keep it just for the video. Better. Might still rattle. So these, unlike Hunter, you don't push them in, you just turn them. That's definitely steeper. And that was done deliberately because people wanted their fans to run slower on medium, or excuse me, on reverse. Which is, of course, why I really like fans where you reverse it. It's still pretty fast low. .9. .717, yep. Nine, is it gonna stall? 10. At some point I'm gonna go up on a ladder and change the time on those track lights. If they're gonna be on at the start of the video, I'd like them to be on the whole video. They cut off partway through, as I'm sure you'll notice. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Remember we talked about doing a 10, 15, 20 wall control for this. $16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm not doing power factors because that's not going to change. All we're doing is putting a slightly different load on the motor. The motor isn't changing electrically in any way. I think we could go up to 23 before. There's 23. Yep, 24 is over. Do the same thing. By the way, I learned a trick today. I think all of us have had trouble getting a Hunter original or similar on the mounting grommet every so often, because you put the grommet in the hook and then you have to put the fan on there, and sometimes you have trouble getting it to fit. I coated the grommet and its metal rod and the claw or shekel in WD-40, and then everything just slid on like a piece of cake. So that's what I'll be doing in the future. Well, I changed it. I should have stopped the blades moving. I don't know why I didn't. I really do like this ring fan back here, but I'm tired of the Pro one. I want something different up front. Told you guys what I want. I want 56-inch CEC and orange line. I think the orange line would probably go back here in the CEC in front, but I'm not sure. That's 6, by the way. 7, 8. See, told you. 9, 10. I've also toyed with putting some more lights in the center section. I've got those louvered fluorescents that I got from Chris Lights that I haven't used yet. And but the problem is I don't know. Well, I guess so. One could definitely go on this side because I know for sure that there's no shelves going there because there's that ductwork. But I don't know about this side. There could be shelves on that side. 12. 13. Are we over? Not quite. 14. Yeah, 14's over. I mean, there's not really a reason to do solid state. I mean, nothing's going to be different about solid state, but I'll do it, because why not? If I was still doing 12 wings, I would put this instead of one of the fans there just to mix it up a little. Maybe like the one when you first walk in by the cafe. Wonder what happened to all that stuff. I hope it's still there because that was a beautiful place. Eight of the turn. That's a blade rattling, it's not motor noise, so if the blades were glued, that would be silent. Yeah, it'd be bedroom quiet if the blades weren't split. It's amazing just how much this flies. Okay, well that's it for the classic fans. That's it for the classic fans, period. I won't be doing any more of this unless I install. What are you talking about, Alexa? I won't be doing any more with this fan unless I install it somewhere.
Welcome to the Alexa Prize, a university competition to advance AI. I'll get you the 2017 winner, sounding board, from the University of Washington in Seattle. When you're done, say stop. Hi, this is an Alexa Prize social bot. How are things going?
Alexa, stop. I don't even know where that came from. I mean, it's nice not to do these videos alone, but, you know, she needs to chill sometimes. Okay, thanks for watching.